Hello friends, it's Mia. I'm so glad to be here with you again. Today we will talk about friction drives, how they look like, how to install, and what they can bring to your biking experience. Let's start by checking what Libu RN20A Friction wheel kit includes. The package is small. Inside the box, you will find three main components: the battery, the friction wheel motor, and the accessory box. Let's check one by one. This is the friction wheel motor. The motor power is 250 watts and the top speed can reach 25 to 32 km per hour. It is compact and weighs only 1 kilogram. This motor is directly installed at the bottom of the frame. It is very convenient to install without changing the original structure of the bike. Even if your bike has a slow axle or quick release setup, it can also be compatible with the friction wheel kit. With IP65 waterproof rating, no need to worry about riding in the rain. Now let's check the battery and the controller. The battery features a sleek and portable water bottle design. The weight is 1.34 kg and the length of the battery is 235 mm. There are 20 battery cells inside the bottle, with a 6 amp-hour battery capacity and comes in 5 colors for options: black, red, blue, silver, and white. The top of the battery has a display to easily check the current battery level, so you can quickly know if it's time to charge. On the side, you will find the power switch and charging port. Please remember to switch off the battery when not in use. Good usage habits and product maintenance can extend the service life of the products. The battery adopts the Type-C charging port design, which doubles as a power bank to keep your phone charged on the go. There is a battery lock at the bottom, which can prevent the battery from shaking during riding and also to prevent theft. The controller of the kit is the base of the battery holder. It has built-in gyroscopes and multiple high-precision sensors that can calculate the power you need based on the riding speed, acceleration, the slope of the road, and assess the level that you set. The system will sense the increase of the speed and help you with more power. When you brake, the system can sense the decrease of speed and reduce the power or shut down the motor. Safe and reliable. Finally, let's check the accessory box. This is the wild sample throttle. These are the tools needed for installation. This is a small pump. After installing the friction wheel kit, you can easily inflate the tire. This is the charger. We have EU plug, US plug, UK plug, and AU plug for options. So that's all things included in the friction wheel kit. Next, let's install the friction wheel kit on this bike and test its performance. Step 1. Attach the controller to the bike frame. Most bikes have two mounting holes for easy controller installation. If your bike doesn't have these holes, don't worry, you just need to purchase a bottle cage adapter bracket. Step 2. Plug the battery into the battery holder and lock it in place with the key. Step 3. Install the wild sample throttle. We need to remove the handbar grip and install the sample throttle. Please be careful not to let the throttle get stuck. Step 4. Completely deflate the rear tire of the bike. Step 5. Check if there is enough space at the bottom bracket area of the bike. Fix anti-slip rubber straps to the bottom of the bike frame crossbar. Position the friction wheel motor against the tire. Tighten the screws. And then use the pump to inflate the tire to a pressure of 40 to 45 psi. The tire pressure range normally will be marked on the tire, usually between 40 and 65 psi. Step 6. Connect all the valves. Turn on the power switch of the bottle battery. Open the lvbuebikekit app and connect the kit via Bluetooth. Then press the thumb throttle to conduct a power test. At this time, we need to check when the speed reaches 34 km per hour. The motor power is between 130 watts to 170 watts. If the power is within this range, the installation is correct. If the power is too low, you can reduce the gap between the motor and the tire. If the power is too high, then increase the gap. Step 7. Press and hold the thumb throttle continuously while the rear wheel is free spinning. Apply the brake. If the wheel stops without slipping, the installation is successful. Step 8. Secure the valves to the back frame by using zip ties. You can go for a riding test now. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.